Hello everyone. In previous video we learned how to develop algorithm to print simple patterns in C, and majority of patterns which we discussed in previous video were the star patterns. Okay. In this video, instead of printing the star, we will be printing some values. So this is n. Here in all the cases the number of rows is 5, and we are printing either alternate 0 1 0 1 0 1, or we are repeating these three numbers to print the triangular pattern according to the given number of rows. Okay, in this the number of digits which we are using are 3, 1 2 3, which we are repeating again and again. Here we have digits 0 to 9. Okay, so all these patterns, all such type of patterns follow a basic logic, and we will first discuss let's discuss this one first. Okay, so in this, what is given to us? We have number of rows. I take number of rows as n. So n here is 10. Then I have how many digits I am using. From 0 to 9, I have 10 digits. So I am using 10 digits to print the pattern. So I am again taking a variable int num digits, and I am using 10 digits to print this pattern, and I am also using variables, creating variables I and j, and I am also creating a variable num which is initialized by 0. The value of this variable will be updated in each iteration to print this kind of number pattern. Now let's see what we can do. So this is okay. How many rows we want to print, that is governed by my outer for loop. Okay. Now this we have seen in the previous video as well. If I is 1, how many patterns we want to print? I want to print one pattern. When I is 2, I want to print 2 digits. When I have I is 3, I have 3 digits or 3 symbols to print. So here j is initialized by 1, and j will execute, this loop will execute till j is less than or equals to I and j plus plus. Now now we have to print the value. I will update this num variable. So if I take, suppose number of digits are 10. If I take initially 0 mod 10, output will be 0. 1 mod 10, output will be 1, so on. And suppose I am increasing this value, increasing the variable, this 0 is the value of variable num. Now suppose num becomes, value of num, I keep on increasing it, and the value of num becomes 10. So 10 mod 10 will again give me 0, and if it becomes 11, I will get 1. So I am getting the numbers from 0 to 9 continuously. Okay, so this I can write in general form as printf %d num mod, this 10 is what? Number of digits. So I am writing here num digits. After I print this value, I will increase the value of num by 1. To move the counter to next iteration, I will add a new line character /n after this for loop gets executed. Okay, for suppose now I want to print this. For 0 1 it is same. Here in number of digits will be 2. Here number of digits will be 2. So number of digits is 2. So initially it is 0, 0 mod 2, 0, 1 mod 2, 1. Then I increase 2 mod 2, 0, 3 mod 2, 1, 4 mod 2, 0. So I'll get this pattern. So here I will use num of digits 2 and can print this pattern as well in similar way. For this, what changes I need to make? Instead of num mod num of digits, what else I need to write? I need to write, suppose initially, let me erase this, or let me do it in a separate slide. So this is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, n is 5. Num digits are 3 and I have initialized this variable num by 0. Okay, so this for loop is okay. I is 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. For j is 1, j less than equals to I, j plus plus. Now what I want to do, I have it initially I want to print 1. So if I write num mod num digits, that is 0 mod 3, what I will get? I will get 1. Sorry, I will get 0. So if I write it like this, I will get 1. Then 1 mod 3 plus 1, I will get 2. Then 2 mod 3 plus 1, I will get 3. Okay, then again 3 mod 3 plus 1, I'll get 1. So this pattern will get repeated. So the only change we want to make is, I will write here printf %d num mod num digits plus 1. Okay, and I'll increase the value of num by 1. So with this logic you can create and you can print any pattern, any triangular pattern which is made up of numbers. So that is all for this video. In the next video we will learn how to create a pyramid shape pattern. So see you in the next video.